I get a lot of phone calls from people who want to take advantage of the free 15-minute phone consultation because they're wondering if I can help them with their health issue. The simple answer to that question is yes, I can help you with your health issue. Unless it's a broken bone or you need emergency medicine, I definitely can help you with your health issue in some capacity. So in the years that I've been a physician and I've gotten these phone calls from people, never once have I said, no, I cannot help you with that issue. Chinese medicine is a complete system of medicine and has been helping people with every conceivable health problem you can think of for thousands of years. So if you're on the fence asking whether or not I can help you with your issue, the answer is an unequivocal yes. If you still would like to have this 15-minute phone consultation to see if we're a good fit for one another, or if you just have some additional questions, then definitely feel free to give me a call. You can also schedule this free 15-minute phone consultation by yourself through our webpage. So on the homepage, you'll see orangish buttons, and you can schedule yourself a free 15-minute phone consultation through that button. Otherwise, you can call 407-255-0314 to speak with me directly about this call. Otherwise, if you want to go ahead and set up a visit, you can do that through the homepage as well. I really look forward to hearing from you and helping you, and thanks so much for being here. Take care.